Hi, I'm Willa Kaiser. I'm the director of the Caduceus Institute of Classical Homeopathy. And our school is incredibly popular among homeschooling moms. So I wanted to talk to homeschooling moms for a minute and explain to you why you might want to be using homeopathy as part of the way that you take care of your family. Homeopathy is very gentle, it's very effective. It's been around for about 200 years. The remedies are made from natural sources and they're energy medicines, so they don't have any side effects. So this is a tool that you can use to take care of your children and yourself for those kinds of middle of the night episodes of croup or ear infections or even emotional trauma and shock. So there are many, many uses for homeopathy, and I wanted to introduce a kit that you might want to know about. This is what I often recommend to my clients and people who are just starting with their homeopathy studies. This is a kit that actually is made in the UK. It's made by Helios, and it's got 36 of the main remedies that you need to know to treat your family. Now, there are other remedies that can be indicated, but this is a really great way to start. And it's also a very convenient little kit. I'll just show you the little bottles there with the little pellets in it. So this is one way. You can also buy homeopathic remedies in your local health food store or Whole Foods. But one way to get started is to buy a kit like this, and then get to know the remedies a little bit. In our first module, our basic program, Module 1, you're going to learn 30 of the most important homeopathic remedies to use at home and to treat your friends and family. So it's a wonderful way to get started. It'll give you a lot more information. It's a program that takes about 6 months of part-time study to complete, and many homeschooling moms have gone through the program and are able to help themselves, their family, and even their communities with homeopathy. So in this series of videos, I've been sharing some of the cases that some of our students have written up after just a few months of study, so you can see clearly how useful homeopathy is to the homeschooling mom. And, you know, many of us, I myself was a homeschooling mom. I now have a grandchild, but I have 3 children and I homeschooled them. And just that sense of liking to take care of things for yourself, it goes along with kind of home cooking, homeschooling, and just kind of keeping a net of healing and safety around your whole family. I think homeopathy fits in really great with that kind of lifestyle, which is probably why we have so many homeschooling moms in our program, because it just fits in perfectly with the whole home idea of homeschooling. So I hope you will go ahead and have a look at our website and check out the basic program. And if you don't have homeopathic remedies around yet, you might want to get a hold of this kit and start using them for yourself. There is a little booklet that comes with the kit that tells you some basic facts about the remedies, but there are also books, which I'll discuss in another video, that you might want to get started with that can help you with home care. And certainly if you go through our basic program, you'll get much more information and know how to use these remedies even more effectively. So thanks for listening. Hope to see you sometime. Let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our basic program, homeopathytraining.org.